Welcome to the Planet of Maths channel. In today's video, we will talk about the formulas for the square of binomials. Here we have a square of a binomial, meaning we want to raise the binomial to a second power. And here, one would wish for it to turn out this way, x squared plus 36. So we raise this x to the square, raise 6 to the square, and we have the result. One would wish it to be so, but unfortunately, it's not correct. You can't count it like that. It's calculated a bit differently. Overall, it means I have to square this bracket. To square means that I have to multiply the bracket by itself twice. So first, such a bracket times a second bracket like this. And here are 4 multiplications. You would have to multiply each term by each. We would get such an expression from this. Then these 6x's and these 6x's would reduce, and from that, I would get 12x's. We end up with x squared plus 12x plus 36. This is doing this example without any formulas for square of a binomial. Looking at what we got here, it turns out that here at the beginning, we got x squared. At the end, we got 6 squared, which is 36. And right here in the middle is 12x, which is doubled result of the multiplication of x by 6. Multiplying x by 6, meaning this multiplication of x and the number 6, changes to 6x's. Then we still have to multiply it by 2, which gives us 12x's. And the formula looks like this. A plus b squared equals a squared, which is the first thing from the bracket. At the end, there is b squared, which is the second thing within the brackets. And in the middle, there is the product of a times b, meaning this number times this number, but with a 2 in front. So this is doubled product. The formula for the square of the difference looks similarly, but the difference here is that there is a plus in the first formula, and here there is a minus. The formulas are almost identical, just with this small difference here. Let's move on to the example. The first example is the square of x plus 5, so we use this first formula. And we do this. The first x from the parenthesis is squared. This is simply x squared. Then we definitely have a plus. Right away, we'll jot down the result. But first, we need to multiply x by 5. That will be 5x. We have 5x and need to double it. If we double 5x's, we get 10x's. This is the doubled product, and at the end, we square the 5. 5 squared is 25. And there we have the result. Second example is the square of the difference this time, but the start is the same. First x squared. Then according to this formula, we have a minus here, so we need to have a minus. Then we multiply this x by that 4. X times 4 equals 4x. And we need to double these 4x's. Doubled 4x's turns into 8x's. Plus b squared, so we square that 4. It comes out to be 16. Now we have the square of such a binomial, so we use the first formula. It works like this. First, this x. We square it, so it becomes x squared. Then in the formula, there is a plus, which is the same sign as here. Now we need to multiply x and 8. That's 8x. And we double that 8x. That makes 16x. And at the end, there's also plus b squared. So this 8, we have to square it. It'll be 64. And that is the end of the example. Another example is the square of 3 minus x. We proceed the same way. First, we have to square this number 3. 3 squared gives us 9. Then we copy this sign. And now we have to multiply these two numbers by each other. 3 times x equals 3x. And we need to double it. Doubled 3x gives us 6x. And finally, we need to square this x, which gives us x squared. End of the example. Another example is the square of binomial with plus. So we use this formula, and according to this formula, we first have to square what is here. Only that 3x raised to the second power. This is 3x times 3x. And here we have to be careful because the 3 with the 3 also multiplies here, and it will be 9. And we also multiply x by x. X times x equals x squared. So for now, we've squared it. We put a plus sign. And now we need to multiply this 3x by that 2. 3x times 2. Here we get 6x. And the result from this multiplication, these 6x's, we need to double it. That makes 12x's. And finally, we square this 2, and that's 4. Another example is the square of binomial with a minus inside the bracket, so 5x squared. 5x squared gives us 25x squared. We write that down here, then there will be the sign from the bracket, which is minus. Now we do the doubled product, so first the product of 5x and 3 gives us 15x, and we need to double these 15x, which is 30x. Plus, squaring this 3, we get 9. The next example is the square of binomial with a minus. We start by squaring it, 10x squared, that gives us 100x squared. Because 10x times 10x gives 10 by 10 is 100, and x by x gives x squared. That's why there's so much here. Then the sign from the bracket, which means minus. Then we need to multiply these two things from the bracket. So 10x times 1 gives us 10x. And these 10x we need to double, making it 20x. And finally, plus 1 squared gives us 1. The penultimate example from this video is the square of a sum. So here we have the first formula. We need to square 7a first. This is 7a times 7a. From this, we get 49a squared, because 7 times 7 and a times a multiplied. Next, the sign from the bracket, which is plus. Now multiply 7a by 2b, so 7 times 2 gives me 14, and a times b is just ab. That is the product of these two terms, and we have to double it all the time. So we double 14ab and get 28ab. And finally, plus these 2b raised to the second power. This is 2b times 2b, 2 times 2 gives 4, and b times b gives b squared, so we will have 4b squared. And so ends the penultimate example. And now the last one. Here we have a square of a binomial with a minus this time. We proceed according to the second formula, but it all goes very similarly. First, 12x needs to be squared. That's 12x times 12x. 12 times 12 is 144. X times x is x squared. We've squared it, now we copy this sign. We need to have the double product of this and this. Multiplying 12 by 5 gives us 60xy. And we double that, getting 120xy's. And finally we have a plus, this squared, that is 5y times 5y. 5 times 5 gives us 25, and y times y gives us y squared, which means 25 squared, and this is the result of the last example. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I invite you to tune in for the next episodes on the Planet of Math channel.